Good evening, I'm Carol Clark. In News for Your Health, there's an outbreak of pertussis, also known as whooping cough, in Henderson County. That's according to the county health department. It's working to notify anyone who came into contact with people diagnosed with the disease. So far, 27 cases have been reported in the county, mostly involving school-aged children. Pertussis affects the airways and lungs. It spreads easily through coughs and sneezes.